this is group 16. Our project is a simple VBA application that calculates depreciation using three common accounting methods, that is straight line method, double declining, balance, sum of year, digits. We built it in Excel using forms, a module for the formulas, and a login system to control access. This is our login form. We began with a login form, which acts as a security gate. It ensures that users must log in before accessing the asset entry form. Without logging in, this part of our asset entry form will be disabled. This prevents anyone from running the asset entry form directly or tampering with data. It's a basic access control feature that protects our workbook and ensures accountability. Then we have our asset entry form here. After logging in, users are directed to our asset entry form, which collects key asset information, that is the asset name, cost, salvage, life, and the depreciation method the person would like to use. When a user clicks the submit button, these inputs are read from the text boxes like me text asset name dot value this or val this. The me keyword refers to the current form that we're working in, while value retrieves the input that that person has put into that text box. We use val for numeric inputs to convert text into a number, so Excel doesn't read that number as a string. Okay. Then we have this line, yeah, that's set WS. It creates a reference called WS pointing to the worksheet that stores our asset records, which we shall see later on. Then the following line, it finds the next empty row in column A, which we shall see by starting from the bottom of the sheet and moving up. So each new asset is added on the next available line. We're going to see that it's going to be in our worksheet called asset register. The difference between a worksheet and a sheet name: a worksheet is where everything is going to be, then a sheet name is the name of that sheet that information is going to be put. Okay, then we come down here. It's going to call for our depreciation subroutine, which is in the module. Yeah, so when you click submit, it will direct you to the module, the functions that are going to work on the information that you have inserted. Okay. In this case, these are the functions that we have specified for each method, and we started off with for I to life. This means that if an asset's useful life is 5 years, then this loop, it's going to be looped. It's going to run for 5 times till the useful life is completed. Then we have select case, lowercase, trim method. So it's going to, when someone inserts the method, it's going to write it in lowercase. It's going to trim it, trimming meaning it's going to remove any extra spaces. Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to use our worksheet functions. We're going to call Excel's inbuilt functions for these different depreciation methods. Like for straight line, we rounded off to 2 decimal places because we are dealing with money. Yeah, different methods have different formulas, as we can see there. So we had this case else. In case somebody puts in a method that we did not specify, then it's going to bring a warning or an error message telling the person to use those that we specified. Okay, then here are simple formulas. How to handle accumulated depreciation, that is accumulated depreciation which we initialize up there as 0 for period 0 plus depreciation, so it will keep looping for the different useful lives. Yeah. Then for book value or end book value, it's going to round to 2 decimal places, and it's going to get the original cost of that asset minus accumulated depreciation. Yeah. Okay. At the end of it all, it's going to, once it has created the depreciation schedule, it's going to bring a message telling you we have created the schedule for that asset, depreciation, then the asset name. Let's see this working. Okay, we shall have BBC here, 20. Okay, we shall have, let's say, okay, a bicycle bought at 100,000, salvage value 10,000, useful life 6. We shall let's use straight line. Submit. It has created. Yeah, so this is our depreciation schedule well aligned. Now we are going to see in our asset register that has been included for record. Okay, that is our work, and this application combines user authentication, first of all, in our login, automated depreciation calculations as we have seen here, and structured data entry in our user form. Yeah,